Up for sale, 1959 Lincoln Continental Convertible, finished in factory original black with its original interior. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up. We won't drive it due to all the snow on the ground and the salt on the roads. I don't want to do that to the car. I'm sure you understand, but it does drive nice. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like on the video if you do enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. So, very happy to offer this for sale. 59 Lincoln Continental Convertible. It's a pretty rare car to begin with. Then again, you got one with pretty much all original paint, all its original chrome, its original interior, its original drivetrain. It's nicely optioned as well, and most of the electronics work. It's very cool to see. There are so many original components on the car. I'm going to go around it and point them out as I do go through. The paint is gorgeous for being original. Really, it's got this beautiful shine to it. I wish cars that were painted in the last 20 years were this shiny sometimes. You know, you drive them a lot, they get dull, you don't take good care of them. This one's definitely been babied throughout its entire life. I mean, it's very impressive. But it looks like it was blended here at one point, and it looks like it was blended right here. I don't know why. But the guy that I got it from, he rechromed everything. I know you saw that back bumper. That's gorgeous. That whole back section is incredible. The front is gorgeous. New dual exhaust. He redid all the brakes on it. He rebuilt the original carb. All new control arms, front and back. I'm trying to think. I know I got might be a couple other things, and if I come across it, I'll let you know. It's an amazing example of this kind of a car that's original. And I know it's definitely 73,928 original miles, without a doubt. I mean, you don't get this with high miles. Big white wall tires with your factory correct hubcaps on them. So, you know, with the original paint, you're going to get a little bit of checking, some marks here and there, but the paint shines beautifully. There's no rot anywhere on this body. There's just a couple little bubbles on the other side. All the dome lights work, which is really cool. Let me see, I just saw it. Oh, right here. That one works. This guy works. The one over there works. That one works. Cool to see. You got the original tag right down here. Continental uniframe body. I mean, at any point, this could have been taken off. To see that there is really cool. But the inner door jambs are in excellent condition. There's no issues there. No issues here at all down below. There's your original tag with the VIN and the body and the color and all that kind of stuff. Bench seat's ripped, of course. It's original. It's been sat on. But the back seat, however, nice condition. And I noticed something not too long ago. All the inner top frame is amazing. I don't know what they did I don't know. Super nice. The top has been patched to make it still usable if you wanted to. But I assume at the very least you could get away with replacing the front bench seat, putting a new top on it, and you're going to get a lot of enjoyment out of this car, really. It's 10 degrees out here today. I am pretty cold. Dash is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Steering wheel's nice. There's no cracks on it. Horn works. Again, the dash is beautiful, and there's no cracks on it. It's got the Autronic eye. Again, beautiful. The steering wheel's chrome is pretty nice as well. Factory automatic, like I said. It's a turbo drive, I believe. And kind of cool. There's this piece of glass, and it's got like the reflection of what you're in. I still haven't figured out what's that's reflecting from. There's a radio down there, and there's a radio here. I don't know. All the gauges do work. All the windows go up and down, except this one right here, that back passenger one. Which is nice to see all the windows working. This back window goes down. And actually, let me grab that key again. Actually, no, I think this key will work. Sorry, I'm jumping around a little bit here. telling me it was the other one. No. Opening the trunk. Like I said, I showed you some of that beautiful chrome. The trunk is a super interesting part of this car. First off, you got the spare, you got the spears, the original jack. Look how amazing that inner lip is there. All original, no rust. That's the jack instructions from the original cardboard box. I saved all the cardboard box pieces that tore from age. You know, you could put them back together if you really wanted to. You don't have to. Here's some bigger pieces from the box and all the cardboard around it. And I saved like a nut. I saved every little piece in case you wanted it. You know, the car only gets one of these. Why throw it out? Very, very clean and original example of this car. And it's got that chrome piece that goes down when the window goes down, when the top is down. That's a very rare piece, and if you lose it, you're not going to be able to find one. Amazing example. And you can't even peel that up. Super impressive example of this car. Again, there's a stamping on there. I know you can see it. There you go. I guess that's the VIN. Nice jams in here as well. And the light works. The light works, that's up there. The only couple little areas of bubbles right there, there's about a handful, and then there's a couple more along this line right there. That's it. I'm also impressed with the convertible top, how it's like half like that. I think that's cool. Normally they go all the way down. That's just a design feature. They all have them, but I think it's pretty cool. And obviously, you know, being original paint, it's a factory black Lincoln Continental. You can't get any better than that. I had a 61, I believe, or 61 or 63. That was factory black with tan interior. That was pretty cool. Another cool thing is, you know, on this car, I forgot what I was going to say. Seat's good on this side. Obviously, it was driver driven the majority of its time. Very spacious as well. So we'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. Go on, check it out. If you have any interest, do let me know. I do not expect this to last very long, being the kind of car with the credentials. There's a little crack in the original windshield right there. We're going to run it, and I'm going to put the top down. So, yeah. Again, thank you. And do let me know if you have any interest. So, I might as well go pop the hood now, though. Show you that real quick. Very, very original engine compartment. Another thing I want to point out is that in the picture of the carb that I showed, that metal plate, that's original. And you see this, there's this piece of that brown thing right there. I'm going to run the picture of it. That's the original, I guess, heat shield that separated, that kept the temperature from the intake and the gas originally. Something like that. My mechanic was blown away when he saw it. He's a Ford Lincoln guy, well renowned in Fords and Lincolns and Mercuries and all that kind of mumbo jumbo. He couldn't believe it. He looked around this car. He says there's so much original stuff on here that he can't believe it is with this car to this time. Another interesting thing that I did notice is that tag right there. That's something original. Underhood's presentable as well. So we will run it now. I'll get my dad over here and I'll give him the thumbs up. So again, thanks for watching. All right. Super smooth running. Alright, we're going to show you the top now. Some kind of original tag in there. Original stamping in there. There you go. My camera died, so I finished the rest of it there.
Brand new?